Here's another myth. Polyurethane foam contracting is the Wild West. Well, we don't have standards in our industry that require training of insulation contractors. None of them, including polyurethane foam. Other countries do. But in the US, we do not. It's not code. It's up to the building owner, the builder of the home, to request education, learning, certification of the installers of polyurethane foam. There's no law stopping you as a consumer of polyurethane foam from mandating training and certified installers. There's no law against it. So it's really up to you to do your homework, to do the research, and make sure that the people that are working on your projects are trained or certified, and you can talk to them about it, and you can talk to the various training associations in the polyurethane industry. The Trade Association for Contractors, Spray Polyurethane Foam Alliance, the SPFA, has training available. The Air Barrier Association of America certifies installers. Product manufacturers all have training. Distributors of those products, those raw materials, all have training. Your contractor that's working on your project can be trained and certified, and should be.
To help you understand a little bit more about spray foam and to help you integrate it into your operation, I've created educational courses on my website at letstalkpur.com, or you can click on the link in the video description. I encourage you to check them out. I'll see you there.